In this video, I'll show you how to play with an unlocked camera in League of Legends. Playing with an unlocked camera is by far the best way to play, and all the pro players do it. Simply press Y to unlock your camera, and now it looks like this. If you hold down spacebar, you'll snap back to your champion just like when you're playing unlocked camera. I recommend only using spacebar sparingly, mainly for when you're looking somewhere else on the map and want to quickly snap back to your champion. Just press spacebar, like this, and you're back. When you're playing with unlocked camera, you want to make sure you have a good mouse speed, not too slow, and that your camera pan speed is well tuned too. You can adjust both of these in the settings under either interface or game. The setting you're looking for is camera move speed with mouse, along with your general mouse speed. Now, how do you actually play with an unlocked camera? Let's say you're in mid lane. Your character will usually be positioned here, and as you can see, I have much more vision than I would with locked camera. With locked camera, I can only see up to about here, but with unlocked camera, I can see all the way up there. So my playstyle looks like this. I farm, and at the same time I can see what my opponent is doing further up the lane. If you're coming from locked camera, this is going to feel pretty weird at first, but it's a much better way to play, and it honestly doesn't take long to adjust. If you play maybe 5 or 10 games, your brain will get used to it really fast. It's also useful for kiting. When you're playing locked camera and kiting, your camera moves along with you, so you have to keep re-clicking to a different spot each time. But with unlocked camera, since the camera stays still, kiting becomes much easier. So that's basically how to play with unlocked camera. My honest recommendation, just turn it on, queue into some ARAM or normal games, play 5 to 15 games, and you'll adapt really quickly. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Thanks so much for watching.